Everyone, so join me today in making a cocoa butter cream. Now, this is cocoa butter, palm oil, and some fractionated coconut oil. This is my oil phase. And to that, I'm going to add my waxes, which are a mixture of different waxes. I will put them in this video, but we have emulsifying wax, we have glycerol stearate, and we have BTMS. To the oils, add the wax to the oils, pop it in the microwave. This method is actually very fast and simple. So everything I'm going to do is going to be fast forwarded from here. You have the oils and waxes, you have your water and your glycerine and cocoa butter. When I finish, just in case I do not say anything, I will be adding milk tistle extract to this and some vitamin E. So let's get to it. Off to the microwave we go. Make sure to heat both phases to around the same temperature, and you want to add your oil phase to your water phase and then mix with a stick blender. This cocoa butter cream would actually cool down faster, based on the fact that cocoa butter solidifies quicker than other butters. So depending on the butter you are using, it will vary in texture. Feel free to use whatever extracts you have on hand and make sure you read the label on when to use your extracts, when to add them, either during the heat period or the heating period or at cool down phase. Some extracts, if used during the heating period, might lose efficacy, and that's why I am using this during my cool down phase. When making skincare formulation, it is preferable to measure all your ingredients by weight instead of by amount, and that is why I always use a scale. So if you would like to make your own skincare formulation, I would suggest that you invest in one. At this point, our cream is very thick, so it is best to use a jar. If you want to use a bottle, then you can pour your cream while it is still warm. Feel free to add a font label of your choice, and this is just for personal use, so go ahead and have fun with your choice of label. This recipe makes for a very thick cream, which I personally like, but like I mentioned, if you want a less thick cream, you can use a different type of butter because depending on the ingredient you use, it will alter the texture of your lotion. This cream came out so well and I love it. It actually goes into your skin and moisturizes your skin, and I am a big fan of cocoa butter. So like this video, subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to watch other videos of mine and have a good one.